Hello students, today we are going to start Standard 7th Subject Maths Practice Set 32. Subtract the second expression from the first. That means you have already done in Practice Set 33 addition. Same way you have to do your minus. That means subtraction. So let's start. Here the first term is given to you in bracket only, so in between you will write minus sign, and in the third step we will remove the brackets as we have already studied in practice set 33. So let's start now. Now here we are removing the bracket. Now in this year you have to remember this thing, what uh, here minus minus become plus, so that's why we have written here plus, okay, while removing the bracket. So let's start. 4xy, we will search xy. Yes, here the xy with the sign I will bring it down, minus 3xy. Now here minus 9z, 9z, and z1 is here, so plus 16z. Now xy, 4 minus 3xy, 1xy, minus minus plus minus will be there, minus plus minus is there, so minus you will do 9 minus 16, this doesn't go, so 16 minus 9 you will take, so you will get 7, minus sign as it is here, so 1xy minus 7z. So in this way you have to solve the first one. Now second one we will see. This is the one term and this is the another term, so in between the two term you will write minus sign, and we are removing the bracket now. So as you can see here, minus 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 plus minus is there, so minus here, minus plus minus is there, again minus is there. Now here we will collect the x term, like 5x and your x, same with sign we will bring down, plus y, where is y here, minus 2y, and plus 7z, minus 3z. Now we will minus this term, like 5 minus 1, 4, 4x. So here 4 minus 2, but what we will do, plus minus minus is there, so that's why 4 minus 2 we will get 2y. Here plus minus minus is there, that means 7 minus 3 you will do, you will get 4z. So in this way you have to solve the third one, second one, sorry. Now we will see the third one. 14x square plus 8xy plus 3y square. So this one term in bracket and this another term in bracket, so with in between the two term minus sign, here we have written it. Now let's solve it. Now this bracket you will write as it is while removing it, and here minus minus plus will be there, so here in between this we have written the plus sign, again this minus and minus plus will be there, so plus sign here. Now let's solve. X square term we will put in one side, so as you can see the 14y square, and here minus 16y square, so here we have written all with together. Here plus 8xy, so search xy here, 8xy, same 8xy here, and plus 3y square, where is 3y square, here y square, so plus 17y square. Now let minus the term, x square and x square, like 14 minus 26, so you will get 12, because why we have written minus, because 14 we can't do minus 26, so that's why we have written the minus sign here. And as you can see, plus plus minus plus 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 will be there, so 8 plus 8, 16, 16xy. Same way plus 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 will be there, so 3 plus 17, 20y square. Now see the fourth one. This is the one term and another term, so in between minus sign is there, and I am removing the bracket now. Here minus minus plus I have written it. Now x square term in one side, like 6x square, and here 16x square minus 16x square, and xy term in one side and x square term in one side. Now let's solve. 6 minus 16, 10, sorry, 6 minus 16 doesn't go, so 16 minus 6 we will do, we will get 10, but minus 10x square. Here plus 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 will be get, so plus 7 plus 17, 24xy. Now here as it is plus 16y square. Now see the fifth one. Here the two term is there, and in between the two term we have written the minus sign. Now let's remove the bracket. 4x plus 16z, and this minus minus plus, and minus plus minus. So now let's start. X term in one side, like 4x minus 16x plus 16z plus 14z minus 19y. So here 4 minus 16 doesn't go, so we will take 16 minus 4, you will get minus 12x. Here 16z plus 14z plus 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 will be there, so you will do the plus. 16 plus 14, 30z, and here minus 19 as it is. So here we complete this practice set 34. Here in the next video I will show you practice set 35. Thank you students.